Hello, and thank you for joining Paper Crafting with Tracy. Today I'm going to show you the October 2022 Ho 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 Paper Pumpkin Kit. Okay, so it came in a very festive looking box this time. So inside we have the instructions for the three different designs that are in there. And of course on the back there's some ideas for other things that you can do. So there's a stamp spot, this time was Early Espresso, some adhesives, of course our envelopes. There's three different types of envelopes. There's the back side and the front. So some nice designs there. Our stamp set. Okay, we got Santa and some Merry, Ho Ho, Christmas, Holiday, Santa Claus is coming to town. We had some dimensionals in there. Some little embellishments. You can see what I have left. There was some vellum here. These go on the Ho 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 die cuts. And I forgot about them. I had this placed down and totally forgot to finish using them when I used the rest of the Ho Ho Ho. There was some other die cuts there. Just some square. This is just the leftover stuff that I had. Okay, so the three designs. This is one. Is what the instructions show. And if you can see there, the vellum behind the Ho Ho Ho. Here was another one. And the final one for the instructions. Okay, here are some alternatives that I made. Okay, so similar. I just took, I found the background was almost like a gingerbread look. And I just positioned it differently. Okay, again, just using the die cuts and the snowflakes. There was a whole sheet of snowflakes that was included, but I used them all, so I didn't have any extras to show you. Just another one here. And here's another. So some are similar. Okay, this one's similar to one of the instructions, but I changed the sentiment and just changed the die cuts a little bit. And then this final one I did kind of differently. I took this die cut here and used it as a masking template. And then it just took some Pool Party to the back of this. And with my blending brushes, just blended over top. And that's how I got the background there. And then there was a stamp of a snowflake included. You can see the snowflake right there. So I just stamped some of that on and that was it. So I hope you've enjoyed this edition of Paper Crafting with Tracy. Please subscribe to my channel and happy stamping.